You don't gain respect by demanding it. You gain respect by becoming someone who people can't help but to respect. Let me just say this. You don't have to be liked to be respected. That's the word today. People spend a lot of time seeking for applause, seeking for recognition, seeking for respect, when they should be building value, working on their self-value, self-worth. Now, this is what they don't tell you. That the way you carry yourself teaches people how to treat you. If people constantly overlook you, it's time to stop blaming them and look in the mirror. Because if you show up differently, the way people respond to you changes automatically. In this video, we are going to talk about how to make people respect you. Not with fear, not with force, but with purpose, your presence, and with quiet strength. A few years back, I worked on a job where I felt invincible. People didn't see my effort. They never respected me. My word was nothing to them. Even in a meeting where I will make valuable contributions, nobody will pay attention to me. Rather, they will even take credit for my efforts, for my contributions. You will see my contribution playing out, but nobody will refer me. Nobody will say, thank you for suggesting this. Thank you for making this company move forward. Because of you, end this. Rather, I was sidelined. I felt bad. I tried as much as possible to make people to see me. I felt maybe I didn't smile more. Maybe I didn't do more work. I took up more jobs. I aspired more. But guess what? Nothing happened. This was until I asked myself, enough is enough. I need to do something about this. And what did I do? I stopped trying to make people to see me. I started working on becoming that person that is unshakable no matter what. This made me to stop over-explaining. I started saying no clearly. I came early. I maintained my word. I stopped trying to be like someone else, like some of my colleagues. Rather, I started becoming that person that deserved to be respected. And that was when things changed fast for me, in the positive direction. People started listening. People started paying attention to what I said. They started obeying. They started seeing me. Even people who didn't like me couldn't deny that I was solid. That was when I discovered that respect is energy. Respect is your presence. Respect is clarity. So here is how you do that kind of solid respect, step by step. In the first place, I want you to know that respect begins with your word. What you say what you mean, say what you can do. Promise what is feasible for you, what you can actually do. Don't promise what you can't do. Maintain your word. People are more attracted to people who keep their words because your word is you. Respect comes naturally when you start into your word. When you start doing things that you say you do. I'm not running away from responsibility. When you say I will do this, do it. When you say I will come by this time, come. Whatever you say that you will do, maintain it and do it. When people trust your word, they naturally trust your presence. In the second place, you need boldness. You need to ask for things boldly. Don't shrink. Whatever it is that you don't know, don't be silent. Speak up with might, with strength, without fear. Ask for things that you want. Not because you are entitled, but because you are worthy. Be cool with rejection. Yes, people can say no when you ask for things, even boldly, but be cool with rejections. Rejections happen to the best of us, to anybody who get rejected. The way you handle rejection sometimes makes you firm. It adds to your self-worth. It fortifies you. It builds you. It gives you that inner strength to keep moving. So don't chicken out whenever you want to ask things that you know truly that you want. Always be clear. Always be firm to speak up. Even when your voice is shrinking, continue to speak. Because silence will save you. You will notice when you start doing all these things, people who dislike you will like you for standing up, for speaking up, for knowing what you want and aiming for it and speaking up for it. In the third place, you see that habit of trying to impress, trying to be like somebody. No, you should stop it. Stop trying to impress. Rather, try as much as possible to connect. Nobody respects a performer. Yes, a performer. Nobody respects somebody who fakes his performance. Rather, people respect people that are real, people that are authentic, people that are themselves. So don't stop trying to impress. Rather, be authentic, be yourself, be real. Because you don't need to be perfect. Nobody is perfect. You need to be approachable. You need to be real. You need to be honest about what you want, about what you know and what you don't know. Don't claim to know everything. When you know things, speak up. When you know you don't have any idea about this topic, this discussion, quiet. You don't need to contribute. Sometimes silence draws respect to you. People even respect you when you don't air your views all the time. When you don't say things when your view is not sort. Be honest, be truthful. Say what you know and keep quiet when you don't know anything about the topic being discussed. Be truthful. When you don't know the answer to a question, say clearly, how I wish I knew the answer to this. I would have given you. Right now, I don't know. I want to learn from you. Let me know when you find out. You can say anything. Just be honest. I don't know. Nobody will wound you. I don't know. Yes, say your mind truthfully. When you know, say I know it. This is the answer. When you don't know, I don't know. Yes, your authenticity will inspire people far more than your achievements. In the fourth place, you need to be a person who adds value to people. You need to actually start adding value to people before people start respecting you. People respect people that have relevance, people that are relevant to them, people that invest in them. So you should be a person that invests in others and lifts others up. Learn to help out, learn to contribute, to invest in others, learn to add value to them. All these little things that you are doing will make people seen. And when you are making people to be seen, your respect will be seen. You start drawing respect to yourself. You yourself will be seen. People get to recognize you like a person that has value. They will know your worth. They will know that truly that you have value. Not only that you have value. And this value that you have, you are willing to share it with others. You are bringing people into your life, into your value state. You are giving what you already have, and that is value. That value brings respect. Relevance attracts respect. People respect those who lift people. In the first place, you need to learn how to disagree amicably. You don't have to win every debate. In times of disagreement, don't show weakness, show strength. The strength should be a form of disagreeing to agree. I have the strength to let go. I have the strength to believe that I've lost this argument. I have the strength to believe that this debate is not for me, that my opinion will not always win and will not always matter, that people have the right to choose their own opinion, people have the right to their own way of life. So in time of debates, know that these debates can be on both sides. It can be my winning game, and I can actually lose these debates. I mustn't win it. When you have that mindset before time and present a strong argument, whether you win or lose, people respect those who don't impose their views on them. People respect people also who accept defeats amicably, learning lessons from them. Know that those defeats, those loss in arguments, is actually a lesson to be learned and not a cause to cause chaos. Because being kind in conflict shows strength and not weakness. In the sixth place, people enjoy and respect people that have proper time management, people that value their time well. So for people to respect you, you need to know how to respect your time and that of others. You don't need to delay others. You don't need to be late. You don't need to do things like someone who doesn't work with time. Your time is precious, so as the other person's time. When you say you will come, be punctual. Give time well. Give a listening ear. Be punctual. Know when to come and when to leave. Take your time serious and take the time of the next person very serious. When you value your time and value the time of another person, you see that naturally that draws respect to you, because people respect those who respect their time. You can't demand commitment from others when you are not really committed to yourself. People take those who take themselves serious. In the seventh place, you need to be human. Your humanity needs to show always. People respect those who show people their human side, people who do not exploit people. So before you expect people to respect you, you really need to know how to be human, how to be kind, how not to exploit people, how to use people as a ladder to your success. You know, sometimes we see people as a stepping stone, as a tool that we can use to achieve our goal, and not really as a human being. We exploit them, we manipulate them the way we want. Anyhow, we don't respect them. We don't even consider them as human beings. When we want to pay them, we pay them less. We don't see their value. People are noticing all this. Also, don't think that when you are manipulating people, when you are using people as a ladder to your success, that people are not seeing it. They are seeing it, and when they really see it well, and when they get to make you see it, you see by their character, you see by the way that they show it to you, you see the way they distance themselves from you, and all this distance is actually as a mark of disrespect, that you are not worth their respect. They will go far away from you. The eighth step that leads to people respecting you is people are attracted to people that are a source of light to them, people that bring peace to their life, people that don't bring chaos to their life, people that know how to handle their anger well. So when people are around you and they are not really comfortable just because of the way you act, your attitude, you should look in the mirror and know whether you are actually bringing chaos into their life, whether you are a source of light to them, source of peace and source of calm. Nobody wants to be around the person. Yes, you need to appreciate others no matter how little. You don't need to dump your mood on others. People are not comfortable being around people that have mood swing all the time, people that transfer aggression on them, people that don't know how to handle bad situations. Rather, they will go around looking for people to dump it on. All these things brings disrespect. People stay far away from such people. So let people feel better just being around you. You don't need to be a bitter soul. People should be happy getting to know you. People should be happy meeting you. People should go from you with light. People should come and light joy from you. Be a source of joy. Be a source of calm. Be a source of peace. Whatever that brings somebody together, that keeps the mental state of the person together, be that person. Don't bring disunity, discomfort around anybody. Your presence should ignite that joy. Nobody respects anybody who does not know how to take care of himself. So in this ninth place, you need to learn how to start taking care of yourself by the way you appear. Your dressing needs to be sharp, clean and tight. Your environment also needs to be clean. Your soul needs to be clean also. All these things add up to the kind of respect you receive from people. If your soul is not clean, if your body is not clean, if you don't smell nice, if your environment is dirty, how do you expect people to respect you? They will not take you serious. Nobody takes a dirty pig serious. People recognize diligence before they recognize brilliance. So when you take care of yourself, when you smell nice, when you are informed, when you are organized, people will respect you. It's not about being flashy. Just know that it's not about being flashy. It's about being intentional of your cleanliness, of taking care of yourself, of appearing nice, of smelling good, of being informed. The third place, you need to know that no matter what you do, if you like, keep to this rule from beginning till now. Just know that there are still people that will still hate you. there are still people that will still not respect you. Everybody must not respect you. So there are still categories of people that are there. They are just seeing you as this one, this one. They will consider you as nobody. Just know that from the beginning. So in as much as you are building yourself, adding value to yourself, making yourself presentable, making yourself likable, making yourself stand out fine, making yourself being that unshakable person, there are still some people that will still shake you, that will still hate you. You don't need to hate them back. Your enemy shouldn't be your enemy. Your hater shouldn't be your hater. You should show them love. Move on with your life. Yes, they are there for a reason. They are there to make you to move harder. They should be the reason why you are working hard, not the reason why you are unhappy. If they don't respect you, respect yourself. This will make you understand that you are not actually losing people. You are shedding out people that choose the version of yourself that they are comfortable with. Some people will come to you because they like one version of you. When you present another version of you that they don't like, they will move on, they will go far. So just know that it's not really out of disrespect. Sometimes people can go far away from you. People can distance themselves from you because the version of yourself that you are presenting at that time, they are not comfortable with it. You know, this little acts that add to our self-respect and make people to respect us. When you do all this intentionally, you will discover that you are actually not chasing respect any longer. You are building on yourself, becoming that person that is unshakable, person that is standing tall, person that speaks without fear, the person that is truthful, the person that gives time. This will make people to start responding to you differently. You will start seeing changes. Trust me, you don't need a crowd to validate your worth. All you need is to walk like that person that already knows his worth. You need to live your life like a real person. Be real, be firm, be yourself. And until we meet again, kindly click on the subscription button and the notification bell to know when the next episode drops. Thank you.